doing a brand new clothing try on haul. These videos are hands down like one of my favorite types of videos to film, so make sure you thumbs up this video if you do enjoy watching these, because I could totally do way more than I currently do. I don't know, I don't want to like spam you guys. I don't know if you like them, just let me know. Today's clothing haul is brought to you by White Fox Boutique, which is one of my favorite boutiques ever. You guys already know, like if you've been watching me for longer than a week, you know, I shop there all the time by myself. I work with them a lot. I even had a clothing collaboration through White Fox Boutique. They are just such an amazing online clothing website. They've got everything you need.
Dressy clothes, casual clothes, activewear, bikinis, accessories, sunglasses.
Everything. By the way, please don't mind the messy background. So I'm gonna jump straight in and show you guys what I picked out this time. I got so much good stuff. I actually recently went shopping on their website also and got heaps of stuff for my latest LA trip. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me wearing like heaps of White Fox Boutique stuff. So I'm excited to try on all of this new stuff today for you. I wanna start with what I'm wearing now. So this here, I'm low-key sweating, I'm not gonna lie. It's very warm. It's a knit dress and I love the sleeves. They've got these like puffy sleeves, like really like puffy. And then they go tighter up the top, so it's quite flattering. But I just love like the snug look where you can kind of like put it over your hands. Like it's really cute. This would make a cute nail selfie. And then it's ruched all down the bottom. It's like a mini dress. It's quite figure hugging without being like too tight, if you know what I mean. It's really nice. I'm a big fan of this one. And also these earrings that I'm wearing right now are from White Fox Boutique. How freaking cute are they? Like, let me zoom you in. Look at those. Aren't they the cutest things ever? So yeah, got these hoops. I've been wearing, whoop, too close. I've been wearing heaps of really cute accessories lately. A lot of them I do get off White Fox Boutique. I've bought a lot recently. Got a bit of a shopping addiction, I'm not gonna lie. Their necklaces are freaking cute on there. Like, people often ask me where I get them from. So this is another one I picked up. How cute is it? Gone back to wearing quite a lot of gold recently. I was very silver for a long time. Now I'm kind of back into the golds. I still wear both, but that's how that one looks. I think it does come in silver also, and the earrings. And I think some of them even come in like rose gold too, if you like rose gold. I'm not much of a rose gold person myself. Before we get any further, before you quit out of this video and go to the website, I do have a discount code for you. Shaaanxo will give you 15% off the entire website, everything on the website. So make sure you use that discount code, 15% off Shaaanxo. Make sure you use it. I'm not making any money off of that code, just to be transparent. It's just a bonus of me working with White Fox Boutique. They're giving you guys a discount code, so check it out. I will also list the discount code down below, as well as like some links of the outfits I'm wearing today. The next item are these adorable earrings. Another gold pair. They are so cute. They're just little crosses. I love the chunky detailing up the top. I'm all about that life. Whew, I'm warm in this outfit. I'm not going to lie. Definitely a better one for like summer nights, I think, like nighttime clubbing and stuff like that when you get a little bit chilly, or even autumn with some cute thigh-high boots. Yeah. Okay, also I picked up another pair of sunglasses. I love this brand. You can get this from White Fox Boutique. I think it's Vo. I'm really bad with like French, I don't even know if it's French, but anyway. So these sunglasses I picked up, I had to have them as soon as I saw them. I love how there's like a little bit of a tortoiseshell detail. I love tortoiseshell. It's one of my favorite kind of designs, especially for jewelry and sunglasses. Like I've got so many tortoiseshell pairs of earrings, but that's another story. Maybe not with this lip color, but how freaking cute with like pink lipstick or like nude lipstick and a cute white summer dress or something. Like I just love aviators. I love the yellow. They actually give a lot of protection too. Like everything's quite dark now, so that's good. Sometimes these colored ones give you like no protection, but these ones definitely do. Okay, now into the clothing. So the first thing I got, other than the dress I'm wearing now, these are some jeans and they are ripped up. You will be able to see them better when I actually try them on for you guys. But yeah, they're basically just skinny jeans with rips. They've got a good amount of stretch to them too, which is good for me, because otherwise I just hate jeans. If they've got no stretch, they're so uncomfortable. I just really needed a new pair of black jeans because my other ones are literally falling apart. I've worn them to death, so I needed a new pair. I also got this really cute little cord skirt. I love the color. I love dusty kind of pink shades. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's just a little mini skirt style. It kind of flares out a little bit. You can wear a cute belt with it, and what more can you say? It's just really cute, and I think it'll look nice with just like a white t-shirt even, or a white singlet in summer. Next up, we have this really cute kind of floaty dress. Once again, it is black, so you're gonna see it better on me. But it looks like this. It's got little ruffles and a little cutout in the waist, I guess. I haven't actually tried this on yet, so I hope it looks nice on me. The sleeves look so cute. I love really fluttery sleeves like this, like really nice open sleeves. I just find them really comfortable and really flattering. I'm gonna switch it up and show you a pair of shoes quickly. just a side note, I've been wearing a lot of slides on my vlogs and on my Instagram, and so many people always ask me where I get my slides from. 95% of the time they're from White Fox Boutique. I've got so many pairs from there and they're the cutest things ever, like my little leopard print ones. I've got some little like woven looking ones. These ones I really wanted because I felt like being trendy. There's a little bit of tape around them, but you get the idea. So these are a black suede heel, and then I've got the clear straps and then the little black belt buckle. But I thought they were really cute and I just really wanted a pair because I've seen so many people rocking the see-through shoes, and I really like the length of this heel. Like, it's tall, but it's not like ridiculous, and it's also chunky. I'm a big fan of chunky heels because I literally suck in stilettos. Next up we have another little cutout dress. This one cuts out under the boobies, and it does have cute straps and like a kind of roughly detail at the front, which ties up as well over the boobage area, and it has a really cute ruffle hemline. I love the color. I'm a huge fan of this color, especially at nighttime, like for more like formal or just like, you know, going out clubbing and stuff. I just think it looks really classy. I don't know, I've always thought that. And this fabric's really nice. It's like a really textured kind of fabric. It feels like really good quality. I don't know if you guys would be able to tell, but it's just, yeah, it's got a little bit of weight to it. It just feels nice. That one is super, super cute. And yes, I will say super cute about like everything because I find a lot of things cute in my life. Okay, just deal with it. Next we've got a couple of colorful pieces because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but on my Instagram I've been posting lots of like, you know, outfit photos, and I have been wearing a lot of like colorful stuff, kind of like green and bright pink and stuff like that. Like, I've just been liking a little bit of pattern and a little bit of color in my wardrobe lately, which is different. But this here, this is very bright. This is a red dress with white flowers on it, I guess, like patterns, and it's just a little crossover at the bust. So it's up the back, it's got like nice long straps and stuff and a little bow around the waist, and once again the really cute like ruffly bottom, which I'm a huge fan of. It's so chic and cute looking. Like, yeah, this one's cute too. My keyword of the day. I'm obsessed with this one. Look at the color. This just like screams summer, and this one's a very lightweight material, perfect for like a hot summer's day, and it's so floaty and dreamy. Like, look at this. Crosses over once again at the front. I love the crossover ties, perfect for hiding your food baby. And then once again it's got the super cute ruffly bottom. Is this one a dress or a play suit? No, it is a dress, and it's got a lining in there too, so it's not going to be too see-through or anything like that. I think this one will be adorable. Look at me changing up my keyword. Next up we have something dark and sexy. This is another dress. I got a lot of dresses. I'm all about dresses lately. I'm all about an easy to put together outfit. Dresses, you can't get much simpler. Dress, slides, or dress, sneakers, or dress, heels. Done. This one has a really cute bust detail, like a little corset kind of design, off the shoulder, little ruffle sleeves, and I just don't know what else to say. It kind of flares out a tiny bit. It's not super tight. It just kind of like floats outwards from your body. I really like this shape a lot, and I just love the rose pattern. Perfect for date night, perfect for Valentine's Day, even though it's a little while away. I feel like time just flies, so this will definitely be on my mind for then. This next one, I hope it suits me. It's like a bustier, how do you say that word? I don't know. You know, it's kind of sleeveless with the boobs, the boob cups. A little ruffle as well, and a little waist tie, perfect. Ruffly bottom. Love that trend. It's got the crossover design, perfect for bloating, perfect for the bumps on your tummy. Love it. I'm all about that life. And it's got a zip up the back to get into it, and it's just plain black. Like, really easy to accessorize with. And another dress, this one here is a long sleeve one. So it's got the longer sleeves with like the little flare arms, which I think is so cute. And then it is a deep V-neck. It's got a little tie, and then it's just like, yeah, a little play suit at the bottom. And you can see the colors. Like, this would look so cute with red heels. It's just like a nude pink design with red polka dots. Perfect for like Sunday brunch with your friends, or like champagne breakfast or something cute like that. Next up, I got a few bodysuits. I'm all about bodysuits. I just find them so comfortable to wear, and I like them because I can pair them with like, you know, a skirt, jeans, shorts, whatever, and they don't roll up or anything. They just stay nice and tight. So I got this one here. It's just a plain white one with some really cute little like kind of seashell looking buttons. It's a really nice thick fabric as well, which I love because it really helps to kind of hold you together. The next one I grabbed, I had to, because I'm obsessed with the current trend of like snakeskin and everything. So obviously it's not real snakeskin. It's just a really cute imitation like bodysuit once again. And this one is super stretchy. Another bodysuit, this one is just more of like a straight across cut, just a white one. Nice thick stretchy fabric once again, and it does have little sleeves as well. But I feel like you can almost tuck them in if you did want it to be more of like a bandeau style, which I quite like. So yeah, good for underneath other outfits too, like to layer and everything, I mean. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I saw it on the website and I had to have it. This is a see-through like bodysuit. It's super sheer, like I don't know how to show you, but then the boobs are like solid, and it's just got these long sleeves with polka dot knitting, which I don't know, it just has me feeling some type of way. It's so cute. And it's just, once again, you know, a bodysuit which clips up under your legs. I just feel like it's super cute. Once again, amazing for layering. Like, I feel like if I put a cute shirt over top of it, like loosely knotted it up, so you could just see like the lace peeking through, it would be super cute. But you could just totally wear it alone as well with like a leather jacket or something on top. I don't know if I'll wear it alone or layer it. It's quite risque. It's very sexy. I guess it just depends like on your style. This next top, I already own it in black, so I got it in white. I bought the black one and I was obsessed with it. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram wearing it. I'll put a little like book up on the screen. Super cute, and I love it because even though it's a crop top, it's not too short. I've noticed a lot of crop tops that are in style at the moment, they're so short they like literally cut off like a bra, rather than a crop top that cuts off like at your waist or whatever. So this is like the perfect length to wear with anything high-waisted. So cute, and it's just like super girly and ruffly and adorable. Next up, I own so many of these, but I love them so much. I wear them all the time. This is a grey kind of cardigan, and it's just a super slouchy style with nice big slouchy arms, and it's just perfect to chuck on with skinny jeans. And then the final thing I got was something a little bit different. I just wanted to try it because it's like not really my style. Everything else, like if you know me, you know that's all like my style, you know. This is definitely different. It is a little sweater and it says her on it. I just loved the colors. I love the stripes, the green, the gray. I'm all about it, and it's like a little cropped jumper and it looks quite oversized. Cute with skinny jeans, I reckon, and probably like undo this a little bit. Like, it's just quite cute. I don't know, sporty looking. So yeah, that's the final thing I got. But like I said, White Fox also has like active wear. I love their leggings and their sports bras and stuff. So much swimwear. Like literally, like who did I see wearing it? Like Rita Ora and the Kardashians. Like they've got legit swimwear. So check it out. It is coming up to summer here in New Zealand, so get on it, especially with the discount code at the moment. Once again, let me know if you do want to see more of these videos, because I shop way too much and I'm constantly buying clothing from all over the place, including here. So yeah, if you do want to see more videos like this, make sure you thumbs up and comment below and let me know. Yeah, I could do way more than I currently do, but I don't know if you want to see them or not. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit those notifications, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!